If you are a high performing female over 45 and you're eating healthy, you're working out, like you're doing all of the things, and your body's still not responding, sis, that's not a discipline problem. It's insulin resistance, okay? And most women don't even know they still have it at all. Let me guess. I'm just taking an educated guess here. You cleaned up your diet. You've tried intermittent fasting. You're more consistent than most of the people on planet Earth. and yet, the body fat won't move. Your energy is unpredictable. The scale is stuck or it's going the wrong way. Sis, that's not normal. That's not normal. And it's not random at all. See, my name is Dr. Tashima Fair, and I see this constantly, all the time with women, high performing women over 45, okay? Women who are successful in every other area of life, every area. But metabolically, they feel like they've lost control of their bodies. So in this video right here, I'm going to show you exactly, I'm tell you the truth, the whole truth. I'm going to tell you why you're still insulin resistant and the exact steps to reverse it. Because once you fix insulin, everything changes. So stay tuned. All right, let's talk about why you're stuck first. Reason number one, your labs. Your labs are lying to you. And you've probably been told, your labs are fine. You're fine. You're fine. But if you haven't checked fasting insulin, you're missing the whole picture. All right? It's the biggest piece of the pie. Your insulin can be high for years before glucose changes. So you're being told that you're healthy, but your body is stuck in fat storage mode. Lean in for a second. So, no, you're not crazy at all. You're just being measured wrong. Okay? All right, reason number two. It's your diet that's keeping you stuck. Or your quote unquote your healthy diet. Oatmeal, smoothies, clean snacks. Now these things aren't bad, but here's the problem, right? With that. Healthy doesn't mean low insulin. All right? If you're constantly spiking insulin throughout the day, your body never gets a chance to burn fat. That's why. Third reason, stress is running the show. This is the one high achieving women underestimate. You don't just have stress, you operate in stress. Your life is chaotic. And here's what that does: glucose goes up, cortisol goes up, insulin goes up. So even if your diet is perfect, it's pristine, your stress alone can keep you insulin resistant. Lean in one more time. Let me help you. Let me help you right here. If you're proud of how much you can handle, but your body is breaking down, sis, that's not a badge of honor. That's a metabolic liability. All right. 4, your workouts. Your workouts, they're not working for you. Too much cardio, not enough resistance training. All right. And after 45, okay, talk about after 45, muscle becomes your metabolic engine, right? No muscle, nowhere for glucose to go. And the insulin stays elevated. All right, now we talked about what's not working or why you're stuck. We talked about that. Now, let's fix it properly, okay? And I'm going to tell you how. This is how we reverse the curse. Step number 1, gotta stop guessing. You got to measure insulin. This is what you need. You need a fasting insulin, fasting glucose, and you need a homeostasis model of insulin resistance. These are all blood tests. Because if you're not measuring insulin, again, you're missing a big piece of the pie and you're just guessing. And guessing is why most women stay stuck for years. Second thing, we eat to control insulin, not just calories. And this is the shift we all get to make. Every meal gets to have a purpose, okay? And here's where we start. Protein first, all right? Fiber second. Second, carbs strategically, okay? If your meals spike insulin all day, that's working against you. Nothing else is going to work for you. All right? All right, lean in one more time. We're having real talk here. Listen, you don't need to eat less, sis. You don't. You don't. You need to eat in a way your body can actually respond to. All right? Step number 3, building muscle. 3 to 4 days per week. Non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. We are strength training. Because muscle is what pulls the glucose into your bloodstream. Remember, it's your metabolic engine. So no muscle, insulin stays high. And this is why cardio alone is failing you. All right? 4, fix your nervous system. You cannot outwork chronic stress. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Here's what you need. You need some real sleep, 7 to 9 hours. You need muscle recovery and you need to set boundaries. Because if your body feels unsafe and guarded, it will not let go of the weight. All right? Again, lean in. See, this is why you can be doing everything right and still not get results. All right? Step number 5. We use fasting strategically. When I say fasting, I mean intermittent fasting. And fasting is it can be powerful, but only if your body isn't already stressed. If you're exhausted, if you're under eating and you're pushing harder, guess what? Fasting's going to backfire and it will backfire. So we use it intentionally, not aggressively. All right? Not like the gurus tell you. You know, Doc T is going to tell you what to do. So here's the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. You don't have a weight problem. You don't. You have an insulin resistance problem. Fix that. And until it gets fixed, until that gets fixed, you will keep working harder than necessary for the results you should already have. All right? Hope you get what I'm putting down. But once insulin is controlled, everything gets easier for you. Like fat loss, your energy is going up. Your mental clarity gets better when you fix this problem. And once you start doing that, your body starts working with you again. Okay? All right. Now, If you have not watched the rest of the series, I want you to go do that now, because I already broke down the early warning signs of insulin resistance, and I broke down the 3 lab tests that you need. And this video ties everything together. So start there and then come back and watch this one. All right. In the meantime, in between time, stay healthy, stay vibrant, and stay unconventional. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. You guys have an amazing day. Peace.